I ain't feel no drum. Yo.
On today, we got the W1 or catch scan install on the VR30. Let's get it. Nah, I ain't gotta cut this one. It's good.
I just ordered that shit. You just told me what to order, and I ordered it.
There you good. This one's for the shorter. This one's for the longer side. I'm gonna try to put it all the way through like I have on mine.
I might go look at yours right now.
And this one, go right here. The only thing is with these, getting that oil on it and pushing it through.
Oh, like a little bit to push it through?
Yeah. And I gotta put some electric grease on this one too. So yeah, all good. Got everything that I need. And this is what comes with the kit. But I always like to add one extra thing inside the kit that they don't normally put in it. Sealant.
That's that one.
Thread sealant. Yes, sir.
For what?
For the threads.
What threads?
For the oil catch can. I don't want nothing leaking. All right. So with this, should I take this off or no?
Why you don't get you a GoPro?
Don't need one. I got everything I need. That one, just gonna end up there.
You gotta do some shit right here, right?
Nah, I don't gotta do nothing there. So as you guys could just seen, literally just disconnected that with a needle nose pliers, push it up, and then all I gotta do is disconnect that one. And then this. Like the needle nose pliers, bro.
So you like them?
Yeah. Actually, let me get the gloves on. Already about to start getting my hands cut in this engine bay. Always. I need to get some more like these. These probably like the best
You work on
gloves I have.
3.7s?
3.7s?
Do you like 3.7s to work on them?
I like just putting a turbo on that there. Thank you. There you go.
So you remove those hoses?
Mm-hmm.
Like all the way out?
Yep.
So do I keep them?
Yeah, this is your stock hose. There you go. That's literally it.
Just literally it?
Mm-hmm. And then I gotta figure out which one I put here. Cause I got this one loose. Shit, never put this back on right when I did the blow-up valve install. But yeah, that's there. I'm gonna just disconnect this just to get this on my way. Disconnect this, put this over there. That's it. And for this one, to connect the bar, the bracket, as it's gonna either be this one or this one, depending on the position that you want. But I'm pretty sure it's the far back one. I gotta go check with mine real quick. As we could go check it on mine right now. Don't mind the towel. Just know I took it off so many times that it fell. So it's the back one. So I have to hit up add W1 for mine. So yeah, I got the towel on there so it won't knock. Ain't hear any knocking in the engine bay. So I'm taking off that back one. And just to get a visual representation, this side is the inlet, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, this is the inlet and this is the outlet. Bro. No, man. These boys are tripping, bro. They put my tube on the block when they did my transmission and turbos, bro. That is crazy.
I ain't gonna lie, I do not want my fucking hoses like this, though.
It's gonna have to be like that.
Why?
That's the only way it can go and flow correctly.
I've seen other people's shit go through air and shit.
That's the
What's
one that's
on this
connected. The passenger side turbo.
So that's two. There's two of them.
You see this right here on this side? Right here.
So I should order another one.
Nah, that's the V3. I don't know how to do that one yet, but I'm pretty sure it's down
But
here.
I should still order it, all right?
Yeah, you could upgrade it.
What,
But
the
that's
V3?
Yeah, the V3.
So I have two catch cans.
No, you just have one. It's just a third hose that go all the way to get to the passenger side, and it has a filter down. It's the filter down here. That's where.
So that means this shit will blow one turbo, right?
No, it's catching most of the blow by, which is good. At least it's catching the blow by. But you're not tuning nothing, so you're straight.
You think I'd be straight just like that?
Yeah, bro. I have it on mine, right? And I'm pushing pure turbos, flex fuel kit.
Where your turbo at?
Right where the blow-off valves are, the bottom of it. I'll take a 10. You're not removing that bolt down there. You're literally, bolt right here. You're not removing that. You're just adding this bracket onto that. And that's pretty simple.
It's the same shit.
So it doesn't take a 10, it takes a 12. Let's see right there. It takes a 12. And also another thing that you want to get,
It's off a little bit.
magnetic stick, take that out so you don't drop it. This to put the little screws on. And then get this, and then you want to put some tape on it so you don't damage it. I use painter's tape. There you go, just so I can not damage. You guys will see later what I'm talking about. 932, that's what you need for these. Switches on and off with no problem. We're gonna put them right here, put those going on first. The shortest one that we have is gonna go to the damn. Where did I put mine through? I put mine through here last time. So the shortest one that we have is gonna go right there. That's already on. I don't know if y'all saw that, but literally just pushed it right through, and at the angle that I had, pushed it right through. And this one, I put mine straight through right here. Keep pushing it, keep pushing it. And then you guys can see it right there moving. Just literally right there. I'm gonna just grab it with my needle nose. All right. Grab it with the needle nose. Boom. For this one, I like to put it on now, so I have to do that later. And this is one of my best little tools, man. If you don't got one of these, especially working on one of these, you're killing yourself. That's all I gotta say. You're killing yourself. Or if you don't got one of these, killing yourself. I don't care. It's a little piece of glove. Yeah, I'm working on a hot car right now. Hot car. So for this one, it's a little bit more trickier. I think I'm where I could just do the needle nose and push it straight on now. Perfect. That one's on. Then with this one, there we go. Got that one into place. There we go. Got that into place. It's right there. Got that one's into place. That's already tightened down. Once you get those two tightened down, then I'm gonna remove those bolts and get to that. There you go. Nice and tight.
All right, how much you spend on your motor, Art?
So, sorry about that, guys. My phone died. All I did was take off this from the bottom that he had, his stock one. Took this off. That's the stock one right here from the bottom. Took the top off, removing that, and removing this dipstick. I'm not gonna lie, this dipstick helps, but like I take it off completely. I screw the whole thing from the bottom and look at it. But yeah, That's basically it. And then when you're mounting, you're taking off these 2 screws right here. These are the only 2 screws that work. This one doesn't, this one doesn't, this one doesn't. These 2 screws are the only one that's meant, and that's why you see your mines hanging, because one came off from the vibration, and then the other one just fell off because of vibration. So that's why mine's hanging. I gotta talk to AdW1, ask for a new one whenever I can, but it's not my priority because it's a simple fix. And I'm supposed to be adding the new one. This is the one I had, but mine wasn't working. It was leaking out the bottom. And it's only one reason why it's leaking out the bottom, because I didn't use this, or I didn't use the tape. But not gonna lie, I like this better. You changed it from yellow to blue. Oh, for real? I seen it. I just didn't pay attention because I knew it was already there. I just forgot to changed.
Yeah, it was blue at first. I spray painted it.
Let me see how it came out. You put a clear coat on it too?
No, I gotta go over it again.
Yeah, go over it one more time and put that clear coat on it. It's gonna be glossy, bro. And screw on.
Call you back, Sean.
He said what, bro? There you go. This will pick up anything that's metal, literally. I'm not even gonna lie.
I don't fuck up like your whole video, bro.
Huh?
I don't fuck up your whole video.
Hey, Dan. Not at all, my boy. Not at all.
Hey, Darren.
There you go. It's all on.
No, I was on the other phone.
Perfect. Now just sit there, let this dry.
But I'm down.
Put it on this way. And I'm gonna still put some of that white stuff on it, you feel me? I'll put some of that white stuff on it, man.
Yeah, I'm getting my intake tomorrow, though. I gotta ask him. All right.
What's up?
I gotta go with better tires when I get my tune, so I can stay with these run flats.
Stay with run flats.
Stay with them.
Just know, don't hit no corner with traction control off, else you slide and hitting the curb like me.
All right, man.
Cause I did that just off a tune multiple times. And in the rain, bro, in the rain, your car it's
It's gonna be twerky.
Yes. Drive in the rain, drive your car on snow mode. That's what I do.
So you put the map on eco and put it on snow?
No, put the map on low boost, and then drive your car on snow mode, not eco mode.
I use low boost, I'm using eco?
Nah, you can use whatever you want. It just gives your turbo. There you go, you got the first one on.
Bro, you gotta give me a set page.
There you go. Me don't care. Me don't care. Me don't care. Yes, it is. Second one is on.
Not hard, bro.
It's the inlet. That's the outlet. This is the inlet hose. This is the outlet hose.
If you go the same day, bro, you can go like the same. Literally.
Just tightening up.
But the only thing with the emergency passport, it only lasts 5 years. The regular one lasts 10 years.
But you know, it's sealed. You know it's sealed. All right, so that's already done.
That's why I'm getting everything done right now.
So now literally all we're doing is I'm gonna hook this up and do the bracket last.
I'm gonna show you. Bro, hell no. Not to go to Cali. Fuck no.
There we go.
You can go to Cali. What do you mean? No, not 8 hours, 5 hours, 5 hours. So when you get there, time to change, we'll be 3 hours back. I understand. If you really buy that, we can go there. If you really buy it, we can go there.
There you go.
All right, bet.
Nice and tight. That's not coming off.
We can go to Cali. We can stay in Cali.
Yep.
But you
Here
can
you
fly.
go.
You can fly with that. I got videos of that. Of the real pilot.
That's on. That's how the look that I want to get. Right there. Push this on right there.
I would want to leave on a Thursday.
I like to make sure it's even.
Saturday, Sunday, and catch You already know we don't drop you off. Go there, like we get back there, like we can leave Cali like. Yeah, I remember we 3 hours ahead, so we can catch a flight from Cali like 5.
Perfect.
Yeah. But I did. Mainly,
Yep.
I did like.
Not coming off, and it's gonna sit just like this. No problem. So, literally, the last step that we're doing, using the stock 12 down there.
That ain't from the your life. That's why I don't do public Texas.
All right. And this is where this comes in handy at. So you put that there.
Yeah, Cali good. Cali good, but
I try to angle mine right here. Right there should be good. Yeah. Just doing a little test fit to make sure we're not hitting anything. If I put it right here, boom, that is in place. I just gotta do my best to keep it right where I want it at. Do another test fit.
and not everywhere. So
Test fit, boom. Fits on, no problem.
that's like if we go to
All right, guys, we're literally just about to wrap it up. Do the finishing touches. Click on the W1.
But yeah, Cali's straight though, bro. It's like you want to go. It's not bad, bro.
Put the cap on.
You gotta get a BMB, bro. You can get a hotel.
Make sure this is facing here. So when you see it from the side, you know it's at W1 right there.
You're not gonna want to be in there. You're on vacation. 3 days.
Because this screw can literally get dropped in there so quick.
The hotel and everything.
Go.
Got 25.
Do another test fit.
Dispensary, bro. Bro, you gonna spend.
Boom.
Trust me, you gonna dispensary.
Perfect.
You gonna spend. Tell me, you gonna.
Let me see what you're talking about. But there, damn, I didn't even get that on the right angle. But basically, this was all self-explanatory. All I did was bolt this 2 screws down, and it was all done. It's all done, all bolted up. Everything all good now.
So my hose is gonna run like that?
Yeah. Oh yeah, and your dipstick.
Dipstick.
Yeah, got dipstick for it. Check it. But yes, sir. Clean install. Thing look nice. Yes, sir. No movement. No movement.